Hello, this is Take a Shop. Today I'll be repairing a Technics SL-1300MK2 with a non-functioning Tonearm lifter. When you buy a used SL-1300MK2, there is a very high chance that the arm lift mechanism is already broken. In most cases, the cause is the same: age-related failure of an internal plastic part. In this video, I will cover the cause of the failure, disassembly procedure, repair using a 3D printed replacement part, and restoring proper operation. Cause of the problem. First, let's look at the cause of the issue. The problem is a broken plastic part inside the arm lifter mechanism. This plastic part originally has a metal ring press-fitted into it, but over many years, the plastic degrades, cracks, and the ring separates from the body. Normally, the lifter moves up and down along the groove in this part. Once the plastic breaks, the lifter can no longer move correctly and stops working. Please take a look at this footage to see the actual condition. Disassembly. Now, let's start disassembling the unit. First, remove the black plastic cover underneath the platter. You will find connectors below it. Disconnect all 5 of them. Next, turn the unit over and remove the screws on the bottom. This allows the bezel to come off. Then, remove the 4 screws holding the die-cast mechanical assembly. Carefully flip the die-cast part and the electronics housing together. Separate them carefully, making sure the Tonearm does not interfere. Do not forget to disconnect the Tonearm connector at this point. Next, remove the Tonearm from the die-cast assembly. It is fixed with 3 screws, plus a separate screw for the ground wire. Tonearm disassembly. Now we move on to disassembling the Tonearm. First, use a soldering iron to desolder the 5 Tonearm wires: red, green, white, blue, and black. Also, disconnect the ground wire from the main plate. Remove the outer crescent-shaped circuit board. This board is secured with 3 different screw lengths: short, medium, and long. After removing the screws, the board will still be connected to the sensor by a cable. There is no need to remove the sensor. You can leave it connected. Next, remove the center component, which is secured by 2 screws. The Tonearm cable passes through the center hole, so pull the cable out and fully remove the part. Then remove the anti-skating adjustment spring. It is easier to remove this earlier in the process. Finally, remove the main plate, which is held by 2 screws. Flip the Tonearm over and remove both the lifter pad and the armrest. To remove the lifter pad, press it inward to expose the screw head, then use a flathead screwdriver to remove the screw. The screw will not turn unless the pad is pressed in. With this done, the main plate can be removed. Arm lifter repair, main procedure. This is the main part of the repair. The arm lifter consists of 2 parts, a black part and a white part, and the mechanism rotates around the central shaft. The reason the arm lift does not work is the failure of the black plastic part. First, remove the E-ring and pull out the white part. remove the C-ring to release the black plastic part. Remove the damaged part and replace it with a new one. The replacement part used here is a 3D printed component. Both the 3D data and the finished replacement parts are available for sale. Please check the description for details. The original part uses an embedded metal bushing, but this 3D printed version is designed to work without a metal bushing. Before installation, apply grease to the shaft. If rotation is too stiff, it will affect the lifting operation, so insert and remove the part several times until the movement becomes smooth. Also, apply grease to the sliding surfaces of the lifter. Reassembly and adjustment. Now, reassemble everything in reverse order. If the lifter oil has dried out, refill it at this stage. A viscosity of around 200,000 CST works well. Secure the main plate with screws. This part allows fine positional adjustment, so be careful with alignment. Install the center component. It is automatically positioned by a small locating tab. Attach the anti-skating adjustment spring to the lever. Reinstall the crescent-shaped circuit board. Make sure the protrusion engages properly with the recess in the slide switch. If installed correctly, the lifter should move up and down smoothly when operating the lever. Reinstall the Tonearm into the chassis and the repair is complete. As you can see, the arm lifter is now working properly again. At Take a Shop, we focus on maintenance and repair of vintage Technics turntables. We also sell refurbished units and repair parts through eBay and Shopify. If you are interested, please check out our stores. Thank you for watching.